Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 7th of my walking challenge, and yeah, so welcome back, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe as usual. Yeah, so let's take this walk together. So like I said, I'll be discovering new roads for new adventures, mostly for places that have really nice views in nature. So like you can see around this place, so it really looks good. It's very green. This place is very green, and there's a lot of farming happening along this place. Yaje? Nje inaenda hadi wapi? Barabara gani? Oh, nikienda naye? Ah, okay, sawa. So I think I'll use this shortcut here. I want to go to the main road and see where it's going to lead me. Ni aje? Uko fiti? Yeah, so I don't know where I'm going to. Let's go as I discover this route. So you can see this place is so green. There's a lot of plantation going on. These are the arrow roots. This is a leaf of an arrow root. I don't know which route to take. Yeah. Maybe. There's a small river stream. It's coming all the way from there, going all the way down. Looks really nice. can have a seat here for a moment. Okay, so I decided to take this route, but I don't know where it leads to. So I don't know where I am exactly. But I think this route looks shorter. So if I cross here, I go up because my aim is to get to the main road. But I don't know how safe these roads are. But let me try. Let me see where this leads to. Saseni, hapa kuna njia? Naruka tu? Sita slide.
Ama pita hapo hivi.
Hiyo
ni kamera ama unatumuliki?
Siwamuliki.
Hiyo ni nini?
Hiyo ni kamera.
Ni kamera mimi nishaona.
Asanteni. Mko aje lakini? Sasa mtabeba hizi bado mrudi hadi juu? Ala? Okay. Sijui hata. Sasa hii njia inaenda hadi wapi?
Bwana je pita njia. Unaenda.
Ni mara ya kwanza. Ni mara ya kwanza nimepitia leo.
Sasa hii njia unapita tu na tokelezea kwa gate ile pale hivyo.
Natokea kwa ile njia kwenda Kingero? Okay. Straight to juu?
Enda tunakuja njia straight yake.
Okay, sawa.
Na nyingine naenda huko tupate hii.
So niende hivi?
Hivi.
Sawa, asanteni. Haya. Hizo maji hizo chafulia nguo? Si chafu sana?
Si chafu sana.
Haya, poa, siku njema?
Pia wewe.
Okay. So I've just met people washing clothes in the river. Yeah, I think that's what they normally come to do. They come and wash. And then, they take them to their homes. I think it's an economical way of washing clothes because you get to save water because the water is free, washing directly from the river stream. So I've been told to use this route, not this. Yeah. Okay, first of all, let me see where this is leading to. I've been told I'm going to disappear. I'm going to get lost. Let's see. Oh. You can see how beautiful this place looks like. It's very green. I hope this is it. As you can see the apartment, at least it's an indication that we are near the road. Yeah, you can see how the place really looks beautiful. So let's go. Oh, I think what these apartments do, they come to a river stream and construct a pump. You see, this is a pump. So what they do, they pump water from the river streams and then divert them to these apartments. Yeah, at times you think you're drinking, so you have to be very careful with the kind of water that you're consuming, because most of the water is not clean at all. Because tell me, how do they pump this water and then they tell you it's the council water, and when you end up drinking it you end up falling sick. So you're supposed to take at least the water that is already purified. You better purchase water from the vending stations or buy from the mini marts or supermarkets, because if you consume water from home, this is the end result. This is where the water is coming from. This is water that is pumped to some of these apartments, and and that is the water that used for cooking and showering. So you see, you ought to be very careful. But you see this pump, so this pump comes from here, pumps the water goes, you see the pipes, it's directed, the channels are directed to some of these houses, some of these big apartments. So they, instead of drilling their own well, they get the water directly from the river streams or from dams. So you ought to be very careful, because you might end up falling sick and then end up getting typhoid and pneumonia. Oh, finally. Hello, kitty. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for being with me through this journey. So tired. Finally, there's salvation. Come to the end of the road. Yeah, so guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for sticking around. Have a good day.